Hello everyone, welcome back to Gadgetverse. Today we're reviewing the Jimmy BX5 Pro Mattress Vacuum Cleaner, a specialized handheld vacuum designed to help keep beds, mattresses, pillows, sofas, and upholstered furniture cleaner and fresher. Unlike traditional handheld vacuums, the Jimmy BX5 Pro focuses specifically on deep cleaning fabric surfaces where dust, pet hair, skin flakes, and allergens can accumulate over time. If you're looking for a dedicated mattress cleaner rather than a general-purpose vacuum, this model brings several advanced features to the table. At the heart of the BX5 Pro is a 500W motor that generates up to 15,000 Pa of suction power. This strong suction helps lift dust, debris, pet hair, and fine particles from deep within mattress fabrics and upholstery. Whether you're cleaning a bed, couch, fabric chair, or pet sleeping area, the vacuum is designed to pull out hidden dirt that regular surface cleaning may miss. One of the standout features is its UVC light technology. The UVC system works while cleaning fabric surfaces, adding an extra layer of hygiene-focused cleaning. Combined with the vacuum's strong suction, this feature helps make the BX5 Pro particularly attractive for households focused on cleanliness and allergen control. Another unique addition is the ultrasonic technology, which is designed to assist the cleaning process by helping address microscopic particles embedded within fabrics. Together with the UVC system and powerful suction, it creates a multi-stage approach to mattress and upholstery cleaning. The vacuum also features a high-frequency tapping system that continuously agitates fabric surfaces while cleaning. This helps loosen dust and debris trapped beneath the surface, allowing the suction system to remove more contaminants effectively. For filtration, the BX5 Pro includes a HEPA filtration system that helps capture fine particles before air is released back into the room. This is especially beneficial for users concerned about dust and airborne allergens during cleaning sessions. Despite its powerful performance, the BX5 Pro remains relatively compact and easy to handle. The corded design ensures continuous power without worrying about battery life, making it suitable for cleaning multiple mattresses, sofas, and upholstered surfaces in one session. Pet owners may find this vacuum particularly useful since pet hair, dander, and debris often collect in bedding and furniture. The combination of strong suction, tapping technology, and filtration helps improve overall cleaning results. Overall, the Jimmy BX5 Pro Mattress Vacuum Cleaner offers a specialized solution for mattress and upholstery maintenance. With powerful suction, UVC technology, ultrasonic assistance, HEPA filtration, and continuous corded performance, it provides features that go beyond what most standard handheld vacuums offer. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, be sure to check the product link in the description. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more product reviews here on Gadgetverse.